Hello, my name is Sofyan Rizal. My title is about analysis of the needs for robotics course with the concept attainment approach based on Islamic finance principles. Uh, the abstract is about the purpose of this study is to analyze the need for developing a learning model for robotics course with a concept attainment approach. The study used a sample questionnaire if learning to achieve concepts in the mind method in the robotics course. Most said they agree. The level of difficulty in learning robotics using text or modal teaching materials in file form is mostly said to be easy, which is very efficient in Islamic financial principles. The level of difficulty for students learning using video media is mostly said to be very easy, which in Islamic financial principles is the efficiency of practical course. Learning materials access online help students in learning. Most said they agree, where in Islamic financial principles is the efficiency of transportation costs because face-to-face requires transportation costs. The novelty of this study is that researchers will develop learning materials that are developed, namely audio, image, text, and video media, by explaining a material from philosophy, then simple things to complex material. Previous research only developed the concept of parts but not as a whole. It can be concluded that the concept attainment learning method for robotics course is very much needed by students. Introduction. As time goes by, good education becomes the foundation for a nation's development. Education should evolve in line with technological developments and advancement to produce professional human resource. The Indonesian government, through Law Number 20 of 2003, affirms that education is a conscious and planned effort to create a learning atmosphere and learning process so that students actively develop their potential to possess spiritual and religious strength, self-control, personality, intelligence, noble characters, and the skill needed by themselves, society, the nation, and the states. In connection with this statement, the provision of education by educational institutions needs to receive serious attention from all parties to optimize the achievement of desired goal. The implementation of education is realized through the implementation of learning design in such a way that there is an interaction process between students, lectures, and learning resource within the learning environments. Learning is a system or a process of teaching learners that is systematically designed, implemented, and evaluated to achieve learning objectives effectively and efficiently. Teachers play a crucial role in the learning process, promising to support student learning activities. Lectures are the key to the learning process and inseparable student learning activities. Lectures play a key role as instructor, conveying knowledge and guiding, developing, and managing learning activities to facilitate student learning in achieve desired learning objectives. Maximizing students' development depends on the teachers' ability to develop and design learning programs and position students within the learning environments. Effective learning can be achieved by maximizing all learning components, including learning objectives, students' lectures, learning materials, and media, strategies, learning, research, and evaluation. The abilities of lectures and all learning components contribute to effective learning based on Islamic financial principles. All components are interconnected, influence each other, and are then referred to as a learning system. The robotic course is a derivative of the integrated science subject, which, which is one of the subjects taught in junior high school and is continued in the robotic course, which is one of the courses taught at universities that is included in the Science and Technology IPTEC course group as an understanding of obtaining basic competencies in science and technology and cultivating scientific thinking critically, creatively, and independently. The robotic course at Muhammadiyah University of Jakarta was developed as an integrative science course. Applications, developing thinking skills, learning abilities, and curiosity. Not included the achievement of concept attainment to achieve to maximum KKM, minimum completion criteria. Methodology. This study employed a quantitative approach with a closed-ended questionnaire as the research instrument. The questions were structured with main questions and sub-questions. The questions had alternative answers from which respondents could choose. Conclusions. Based on the questionnaire analysis above, there is a need for students to develop a learning model for robotics course using the concept attainment approach. It is recommended that lecturers use the concept attainment approach to develop a learning model for robotics course to ensure effective learning in accordance with Islamic financial principles. Thank you.